Hey, this is Mr. Henry. We're here for a short little clip on what is PMA. So you're probably viewing this video during the 1.3 collaborative activity. You're making your little mini book. So PMA is something I saw online as I was researching different topics over the summer, and it was a way to help some students remember some of the different exponential properties and like what they do with them. So here's what it is. So PMA stands for, the P is power to a power. So it's this situation. And basically the way this works out is you just do the next thing down the list. So if you have a power to a power, so if you have an extra little exponent on the outside of parentheses, this means that we are going to multiply them together. So if we have, and that's multiply the exponents, if they have this, we get x squared times by 5. So x to the 2 times 5 power. We're multiplying those exponents together, and that gives us x to the 10th power. So when you have a power to a power, you do the next thing down the list, which is to multiply. Okay, what if you have two exponents that are being multiplied together? What do? Well, you do the next thing down on the list, which is you add. So we're going to add these exponents together, and that gives us x squared plus 5, or x to the 2 plus 5 power. We are adding the exponents together, and that gives us x to the 7ths. I've had some students say, well, what happens if you have two powers that are added together? So say I have x squared plus x to the 5th equals, and the answer is nothing. You can't do anything with them because there's nothing else further down the list, and there's no property that says we can add those together. All right, so this one can't be done. Right. So the property goes something like this. Refresh myself, make sure we got it. If you have a power to a power, that's the P, you are going to multiply the exponents together. So 2 times 5 is 10. If you have a power times by a power, if they're being multiplied together, you do the next thing on the list, which is to add those exponents together, and give us x to the 7th here. And if you have two exponents who are being added together, you can't do anything with them. There's no property that says you can do math with them right now. Okay, so this has been a short little clip on PMA. Thank you for watching.